I feel bad that you just found my YouTube channel now. Or, I feel badly that you just found my YouTube channel now. Malungkot si Ma'am Charlene, no? Kasi ngayon mo lang nakita yung YouTube channel na to. Well, anyway, welcome back, Gratefuls. I am Ma'am Charlene Ko, a licensed professional teacher. And for today, we are going to talk about the difference between the words bad and badly. Ano nga bang pagkakaiba at kailan natin gagamitin ang dalawang ito? So, let's get right into it. Most of the time, these two words were misused, maybe because their meanings are almost the same, but today let us clarify that. First one, let us remember that the word bad, it describes a noun or a pronoun. Okay, it is an adjective. Adjective ito at ang mga tinutukoy nito ay mga nouns o pronouns katulad ng tape, mountain, car, people, speaker, box, light, ayan. And all the pronouns like I, he, she, they, us, we, lahat ng yun ang gagamitin natin ay bad. Let's take a look at this example. Usad ako dito sa gilid. Example, that's a bad attitude. She is a bad teacher. He is bad. Dito sa sentence na to, sino ang masama? Siya. Ang he ay pronoun, di ba? Kaya ang gagamitin natin ay bad. Okay? Dito naman sa unang pangungusap, bad attitude. Anong tinutukoy natin na masama? Yung ugali o asal. Bad attitude. Ang attitude ay noun, kaya ang adjective na bad ang gagamitin natin. Next one, ito naman, ang masama ay teacher, di ba? Ang teacher ay noun, tao yan, pangalan ng tao. So, bad ang gagamitin natin kasi kailangan natin ng adjective para tukuyin ang salitang noun na teacher. Okay, next one. We have the word badly. Badly is used to describe verbs or action words. It is an adverb. Itong badly na to ay ginagamit natin para tumukoy or tukuyin ang mga salitang gawa ng mga verbs, di ba? For example, Eloisa dances badly. Diba? Badly ang ginamit natin dahil ang tinutukoy natin dito ay yung word na dances, yung paraan ng pagsasayaw ni Eloisa. Itong salitang dances na to, ito ay verb, salitang gawa. Kaya ang kailangan na tumukoy dito ay ang adverb na badly. Kapag sinabi natin na Eloisa dances bad, that is ungrammatical, hindi tama. Okay? Next example, he cooked the rice badly. Okay? Ang tinutukoy na badly dito ay hiba o yung rice o yung cooked. Okay? Ang tinutukoy natin ay yung salitang cooked. Okay? Bakit? Kasi yung salitang badly ang sasagot sa kung papaanong paraan niya niluto ang kanin. So, badly. Ganong paraan. Kasi kadalasan itong mga adverbs na nagtatapos sa ly katulad ng effortlessly, badly, carefully, gracefully, beautifully, lahat yan ay sumasagot sa tanong na sa paanong paraan. Okay? So, you cook the rice badly. Badly is our word. Alright, so ang dali lang ng lesson natin ngayon, Gratefuls, diba? Bad, saka badly. Now, let's see kung meron bang natutuhan. We will have our quiz. It's gonna be 1 to 5 and you will have 7 seconds to answer each. Kung kailangan mo ng more time, you may pause the video. Okay, ang gagawin mo lang ay pipiliin kung bad or badly. Number 1, the students painted the room bad or the students painted the room badly. Bad or badly? Okay, the correct answer, but oops! Bago natin malaman yun, alamin muna natin kung ano ba yung tinutukoy na masama o hindi maganda. Kasi di ba bad? Ito bang students? Yung painted ba? O yung room? Okay, itong painted. Ang tinutukoy natin na masama o hindi maganda. So, itong painted ay verb yan, salitang gawa. Therefore, we will use, yes, you're correct. We will use the word badly. The students painted the room badly. Okay, next naman, number 2. Do you cook Bad or do you cook badly? Okay, the correct answer is, do you cook badly? Okay, badly ang ginamit natin. Adverb yan dahil ang tinutukoy natin ay yung salitang gawa na cook. Nakakailang points ka na. Sana dalawa na yun. Grateful, ah. Okay, next one, number 3. Lay is disappointed because she did blank on her English exam. Bad or badly? I will repeat for you, gratefuls. Lay is disappointed because she did blank on her English exam. Bad or badly? Okay, tignan ninyo ha. Ano ba yung tinutukoy natin? Kasi doon tayo babase. Ang tinutukoy natin ay yung salitang exam ba? Hindi. Silay ba? Hindi sila yung masama dito, hindi din yung exam. Ang masama dito ay yung salitang did, yung pagkaka-exam ni Lay, okay? So, malamang kapag ganyan, katabi lang yan ng salitang bad o badly, okay? Hindi na tayo lalayo. So, itong do or did ay action word yan, and I verb, therefore, we will use the word badly. Lay is disappointed because she did badly on her English exam. Now, for you, grateful, for you not to do badly on your English exams, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for you to be able to be updated every time that I will upload a new video. At para matuto ka na rin, para hindi ka matulad kay Lay na disappointed. Anyway, number 4. Ito na yung nasa intro natin. I feel bad or I feel badly. Okay, ano ba yung tinutukoy natin? Ako ba, I, o yung word na feel, nararamdaman or nakakaramdam? Alin ba yung bad dyan? Ang bad dyan ay yung feel, di ba? Ang feel ay isang verb ito, verb. So, ang tamang sagot ay I feel badly. Kaso, wait lang, parang may mali sa pandinig natin eh, di ba? Parang hindi tama yung grammar kahit na ito yung sinabing rule ni Ma'am Charlene. Bakit? Dahil po, kapag ganito ang ating salita, ang ating verb ay stative lang, nagbibigay lang ng status katulad ng feel, smell, remember, think, believe, understand, or mga verbs na yan na nagbibigay lang ng status, ang gagamitin natin ay bad. So, ang tamang sagot ay bad. I feel bad. Okay? Yun ang tamang sagot natin dun sa intro. Like this one. This dish, it smells bad. Hindi naman pwedeng this dish, it smells badly. Hindi tama yon. So, kapag mga yun, smell, think, understand, yan ay bad. Diba kanina sa intro natin, grateful, meron tayong, she is a bad teacher. Tama yung grammar natin doon. Paano kung i-rearrange natin yung words? Magiging she teaches blank. Bad or she teaches badly? Alin sa dalawa ang tama? Bad or badly? Okay, dito sa pangungusap na to, ang tinutukoy na natin na bad ay yung paraan niya na ng pagtuturo, itong teaches. At itong word na teaches, this is a verb, therefore we will use the word badly. Ang tamang sagot ay badly. She teaches badly. Katulad din ng he sings badly. Pero pwede ring maging he is a bad singer. Diba? Parehong kaisipan, parehong thought, pero magkaiba mga salitang ginamit, magkaiba ang grammar, rules na ini-apply, pero sa kabuuan, iisa lang din naman yung sinasabi. That's why, grateful, in studying English, you need to study the totality of the grammatical rules for you to understand the language better. Hindi pwede yung paisa-isa lang yung inaaral mo. Kailangan continuous, tuloy-tuloy, at iba-iba yung mga parte ng wika na ito nga English na gusto mong malaman para talagang matuto ka. At syempre nga, maa-attain mo lang yan kung magsusubscribe ka kasi mapapanood mo yung mga ibang videos pa natin. Okay, so bago ako magpaalam, Gratefuls, i-shoutout ko muna yung mga palaging nakikinig at nanonood sa atin. Nandyan si Patty at Benosa, pa-shoutout po sa next. Hi, Ate Patty! Nandyan din si Oscar Vlog. Hi, Kuya Oscar, good luck sa iyong vlogging career. Si Dan Miro, sabi niya pa-shoutout po, ma'am, from Kingdom of Bahrain. Okay. Hi, Kuya Dan! Si Kuya Zuren Ignacio, ma'am, next video is being of your supporter. Sana ma-shoutout po. Syempre naman, hi Zuren! Hello po! Kumusta kayo dyan? At si MC Garcia, pa-shoutout po ma'am. Si Marlatif Sakandal, waiting on your next video. Ito na yung next video, ay nandito ka kuya. And si Jericho Gabad, pa-shoutout po kay Jericho A. Gabad. Hello po! Thank you so much for watching Charlene's TV. And yun lang sa ngayon, Gratefuls, and see you sa next video. Goodbye!